Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to score with bicycle kick in EA Sports FC Mobile. So the first thing that you will need to do is when you're playing, it's important that one of your player is standing near the box, okay? And the player that you are using is outside the box. Now, you will then just have to click on the lob bus, this one, and then after clicking on the love bus, make sure to slide to your right near the goal area so that your player that is standing outside the box will be able to do the bicycle kick. Okay, so you will then just have to repeat that process. Just take note that it is very important to do the process quickly. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.